everyone. Today I'm here with the Secret Not Secret Kit Club and PageMaps collaboration. So I was asked to do an 8.5 by 11 page using the amazing sketch by Becky from PageMaps. And so I am pulling out some items that I have from past Secret Not Secret Kit Club kits and just working with them. So 8.5 by 11 is a size that I enjoy doing, but sometimes it can be kind of a struggle. And I think that using a sketch, because I've never done a sketch before for this size, was kind of a struggle for me. And it doesn't seem like it should have been, but it was. So what I did is I kind of flipped the sketch just upside down. And that was more because in the sketch you can see that it has some like tags that are upside down, and that bothers me for some reason. So it has nothing to do with the sketch. I loved it the way it was, but it was just the tag situation. So I'm working on my clusters here, and like I said, I'm just pulling stuff out that I have. Some of it's from this Echo Park sticker sheet, and then I have other bits of paper. I have that black pattern paper in the background is from Vicki Boutin, and that came from my March Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit. And the picture here is of my daughter. We were at the food truck rally back in May, and she got a balloon animal and face painted and everything, and it was just perfect for the colors that I wanted to use for this. So I am just doing a bunch of layers, and that's kind of what I feel like the sketch really lended itself to, was layering things up, even though it didn't have quite as many as I go with here. But that's the great thing about sketches, is you can use them for their inspiration, but sometimes they lead you in different places. So they give you a good starting point, and then it kind of sometimes can morph into other things. I love using sketches, and I like being able to tell that, oh yeah, I can totally see that you used this sketch for this layout, but at the same time you made it yours. So that's kind of how I like to look at sketches. So I'm just adhering things down, layering up a few pieces here. I do have that Freckle Fawn arrow, that thing, paperclip, and I'm sticking that in there. I'm pulling out some of the baker's twine that I've gotten in past kits and putting them in the tags. I'm just working on layers here. Now I think that my video does cut off. Maybe. I did go off for a little while, and I had to think about how I wanted to do that, the strip of trim or scallop strip that's in the sketch, and I couldn't figure out. I was thinking about not doing it because I was thinking that the arrow and the remember this could be kind of, because they're the same color, but then I do come back and add some pom-pom trim, so it directly represents that part of the sketch. So there's a bunch of ladies, I think 11 or 12 ladies that are participating in this, and our layouts are going to be featured on the PageMaps newsletter, you know, that you get every month in your email with all of the new sketches. So you should definitely head on over and check that out. If you've never seen PageMaps or never been to PageMaps before, it's amazing. They have so many amazing sketches, and every month they come out with new ones, and you can go back and see all of them for free on their website. And they are just fabulous. I actually have one of the books that they came out with, and the one I have is the second book, and it was from a long time ago. So, but I have been using PageMaps since I started scrapbooking, actually, so I thoroughly enjoy them. Now I'm just using some of this Vicki Boutin Creative Silver Glaze, and I'm using it as sprinkles because I really love this, and I wanted to do some sprinkles around. And then I think that's pretty much going to be the end of my layout. Like I said, I do come back and add that trim, which you'll see in the close-up photos. But we are doing a YouTube hop, so you should check out all of the different videos. They'll be in link down below. So definitely head on over and check out everybody else who are creating layouts for this fun collaboration. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!